Hello YouTube, this is Man in Disguise here. As you all got from the title of the video, that it is the unboxing of the Rynox tank bag, and it's already been unboxed by my sister. And as you can see, the bag looks like this. It is 26 liters in capacity, but it can be extended from here. Like you can see, there is a extended zip, and by which you can extend it up to 31 liters. And other features in this bags are like you can get a strap on, like if your bike doesn't have a metallic petrol tank, so that you can tie it from the railing side by side. And one thing I didn't got in this bag is that the rain liner. I talked to the Rynox this morning, and they said yeah, they will send the rain cover and rest. As you know that I have a KTM Duke 390. The thing is that on Duke it doesn't fit properly. Like these here and here you have magnets over here. So the thing is that when you put it on your tank like this, these will go on the tank, but the side flaps of the Duke 390 is of plastic, so this can't really fit. I will show you how this will fit on the bike. So I was talking about earlier that this won't fit on Duke 390 properly because these flaps are made of plastic, and the side magnets won't stick it. Only this magnet will stick it. So I will show you the alternative, how you can fix it. These straps will be provided to you with the bag, so you have to tie it like this. If you can see, like this. This is the newer version, so you have to do it like this. And here, you have to tie it like this. Here, and see how it goes. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. Peace.